Hello, week 3. Starting with this introductory video. I will post another video in probably by Wednesday, but I want to get you started on what we're doing this week, diving into the periodic table some more, and we're going to be looking at number 1, this where it says solving the puzzle of the periodic table with Eric Rosado. So, and by the way, you should be on your materials page, okay? Tab right here under course options, materials. So we're going to be solving the puzzle of the periodic table with Eric Rosado. And then there's a worksheet on the next tab you can click on. So when you click on it, and it should come up in a moment. All right. So there's a link that will take you to the assignment. I'd like you to copy the questions and then write the answers, and then take a photo of your work and submit it to me. I'm working on getting a better where you can just fill it out and submit it to me. But for now, just copy the questions and the answers and submit it to me. I have outlined in the answers, I have highlighted where you can find the answers to the questions in the video to make it a little easier for you. So a good option, good thing to always do is read these questions first where it says solving the puzzle of the periodic table. Read the questions so you know what you're looking for, and then watch the video and then go back and answer the questions, and that will make life a lot easier. And there's a couple of other short videos, classifying matter with Smart Teacher right here. So once you watch that video, you could actually wait for your next assignment, and I'm going to be cleaning up the assignment that's on there. So it's right here. It's a little bit complicated, this assignment, but if you want to give it a shot, go right ahead. It's asking for you to identify whether something's an element or a compound, and whether it's something that is a pure substance, homogeneous, or a mixed substance, heterogeneous. So if you can get through that, great. I've also I've put a ptable.com link down here on the bottom if in case any of these activities for this week you need to refer to that. And I'm also going to be adding an assignment that says I want you to do a web quest, search for a science interactive game that is challenging for a high schooler. So I'll talk to you soon. Have a great week. See ya.